Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to fix YouTube error 153 video player configuration error. If you're suddenly seeing YouTube error 153, it usually points to a playback or connection issue, and the quickest way to start fixing it is by clearing your browser cache and cookies for YouTube. So go to youtube.com, click the site info icon next to the URL, open cookies and site data, manage and remove all stored data, then confirm and reload the page so YouTube can build refresh session files. And if the error still shows up, try switching browsers completely because sometimes extension or corrupted session data in one browser can block video playback even if everything else is fine. So test it in something like Chrome if you are using Brave or vice versa. If it still doesn't work after that, there is a chance the issue isn't on your device at all. So open a new tab and search Down Detector YouTube to check if there are live report of outages because if YouTube itself is experiencing problems, there's nothing you can do expect wait for it to be resolved on their end, and once the service is stable again, video should load normally without needing any extra changes. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.